Hey guys, it's Tuesday, February 27th. Hope everybody had a good weekend. I had a long weekend. Was off Friday, Saturday, Sunday, yesterday. It's one of the advantages of being able to do this from home full time. Even though I don't do it full time, I can come and go with it. It's what I like about swing trading on the Forex currencies. Welcome to everybody. Won't be long on the video. Starting with the pound dollar. You see it was in a sale here. Came up to it once, twice. You had two opportunities to sell right there, with that being that high being your stop. And if you're still in this trade, your stop is actually right here, right now, short. The Aussie dollar has been in a sale. It is now in a buy, but it's coming back into the buy. There is Aussie dollar news tonight, so that's going to affect this. So just be careful. I'm not going to get in a trade of that until tonight, depending on the news, because it is major news. There's also New Zealand news tonight, major news, so that's going to move that too. So it won't be in anything like the Euro New Zealand or Pound New Zealand, Odd New Zealand, anything tied to the Aussie or New Zealand till after the news. Pound CAD is in a sale. It's ran away, hasn't come back up to it, so I'm expecting it to come back up to it to give an opportunity to sell, and that's what it's trying to do now. Pound yen is in a sale. You had a couple opportunities, several actually, to get in low risk trades on the 1 hour, and it would have worked. Euro New Zealand is in a sale. If you missed that, it kind of ran away. There was the opportunity to get in short right there, but there is New Zealand news tonight, and this is tied to it, so got to be careful on that. And the pound New Zealand, same picture. There was your chance to get in short, but there is news tied to this. This is just for education purposes only. Remember that. Trade at your own risk, and only trade with money that you can afford to lose. New Zealand yen. Oh, didn't hit it, did I? New Zealand yen. It's another one tonight. It's been in a sale. It's got news tonight. This could be a turnaround coming up here now. But I'm not going to do anything on it until the news is over with. The Euro Aussie is in a sale. It ran away. To get in the sale, it has to come back up into here to be able to sell, which it could do today, but it is tied to the Aussie. The Euro CAD, then a 1 hour sale. There was an opportunity to get in. It's trying to push up, but it came up. Remember, I told you the last week I'm expecting this to come up back to test the yearly pivot, and it did. From last week, we actually closed above it. We came back down and touched it again, and now we're trying to go up. So if you're getting in the Euro CAD long, this is your stop right here, the low of that candle in the 1 hour, expecting it to take out this high. On the Euro CAD, pound Aussie is tied to the Aussie. It flushed down, expecting it to come up into here for a sale, but it is tied to the Aussie, so there's news tonight on it. The CAD yen's been in the sale. There's nothing to do on this thing. The Euro yen, these are all 1 hour charts, by the way, has been in a sale. You had an opportunity right in there to get in, but since then it's not done anything, so it could come back up into here and then be a sale again. But right now there's nothing to do on the Euro yen. And the Aussie yen has got news tonight. It's been in a sale. There was your opportunity on the 1 hour. and it's come back down. And with the news tonight on it, I'm not going to be in any of these till after the news is over with. So playing it safe, like low risk trades. None of these are low risk trades right now. So this video is being recorded. It'll be posted in about 20-30 minutes. If anybody has any questions, just feel free to subscribe and hit the like button. If you like education, what they call it, if I'm helping you, that's the main thing. If I'm helping you, please hit the subscribe and like button. If you feel I'm not, that's okay. Swing trading is not for everybody. I do low risk trades, which means you have to be patient, but your patience gets rewarded. There's your patience right there, and it come up low risk sell. The high of this arrow candle was 99.05, and it came up to 98.99, so that was, with the spread, a $9 risk. A Big Mac combo meal is all you were risking, and there's your reward. And you could have been following it down all the way. When it moves down like this, takes out the low, you can move the stop. You want it to go sideways or even come up a little bit, retrace, and then go and make a lower low. Then you can continually move it down, and you just keep doing it, because it would have never stopped you out until right here. When you moved it down in here, it would have went up and got you. But the yearly resistance right here, I mean not the yearly resistance, major resistance is right there, so that would have been the best time to take it out, or tighten your stop up a lot, because you'd have got stopped out anyway. So these are trades to look for. I do swing trading for those of you who are new here. I don't do day trading, even though at times there is trades that show up during the daytime during the New York session. If you guys have any questions or comments, feel free to go to my videos after the on the bottom of the video. Up underneath it, there's a comment section. You're welcome to comment, ask questions, whatever you need. I'm going to be able to try to help you, because that's what it's all about. Supposedly, on YouTube, that's what a lot of them say, but they don't follow through on that. So because most of them are trying to get subscribers where they can get and so many likes, so they can get paid by YouTube. I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to actually help people, and not try to push all that other stuff. You say I don't have pretty thumbnails or anything like that. I'm not trying to entice you. I'm not trying to keep you. My whole goal is for you to be able to learn. You become successful doing it, and then you don't need me no more. That's the whole point. Nobody else on YouTube does that. Everybody else is about getting subscribers and likes. So have another video tomorrow. Just be careful tonight with the Aussie news and the New Zealand news, anything tied to those, because this is big news on both of them. So they're gonna be moving tonight. So just be careful on those. If you are in them, tighten your stops up or go ahead and take profit. I'm going to look for opportunities after the news, depending on where it's at. And so there should be several trade opportunities on both of those. So like I said, this is being recorded. Be up in about 20-30 minutes posted. And we will see you guys tomorrow.